It travels across the net slowly. Ang lalim tumira ni Santos. Ano? Talaga yung dulo. And that hits the end. Then, sige, tuloy tayo. Jackie Acuña. Valdez. They'll take that. Kahit na miss-hit yun, okay na yan.
Yung hindi ganon kaganda yung contact ni Pangs Panaga sa quick hit, but still, a point is a point. And yan din yung nawala during the first set.
Ramdam mo nung nadinig mo eh. O ito, buhay pa. Walang tawag si referee Celso. We play on, but this one is dead in the water. Signal with their second point. TV might say, hindi naman ganun katangkaran. No, she's a tall woman. Tapos, alam mo, nagwe-weights itong yun. Dito mo, laki ng development ng shoulders. Eh. Santos, the long ball hitter. And look at that bird. Doria Aquino will be serving. Valdez on two.
1-2 play. Tia, take this one.
Kaya ang lead lang sa kanya yung mga off-the-block hits.
Kung ikaw nagbablock, maiinis ka. Parang sinasabi ni Erika, oh, ganito gagawin natin, ha? Ready ka? Ganito gagawin natin. Samantala, Creamline to just keep in step here. Parang nagsha-shadow yung isa sa isa. Cayuna. You are incredible, Santos. Isipin mo nun kung walang challenge ng araw, di ba? Sino foot fault? Anong foot fault ka dyan?
Oo.
Ito, samantala. Of signal here. If they score here. Cayuna so flexible and so versatile. We're not to that 15. You're just going to give it away or take it away. It'll be fought for with every toss and spike in every volley.
That's inside, down the line hit from Erika Santos.
They took the first set, keep that in mind, 25-21. Pons, very tight set. Oh, that'll give the lead back to Signal, 18-17.
Good front row for Signal. Erika Santos is in the opposite side.
Pons, denied! Gandado sarado. Doria getting that. Santos leading the scoring pattern for Signal with 11, Gandler with 8. Pons has 7. Pons keeps that in play. Here comes the set by Cayuna. Oh! And Gandler beginning to hum here. And akin yan. Regalo.
Because of that regalo, this double sub for Signal para makakuha sila ng full front row.
Gandler. Marunong na rin gumamit ng kamay ito si Gandler. Nangyayari yun. Basta whatever works and the team is comfortable with it. Oh, tulis. Tabla!
And it all started with a good first ball. Yung sabi ni Coach Sherwin, as much as possible, sa gitna lang dalhin yung first ball.
Chamzon is on the floor already for Signal. Here comes Carlos. Katindig. Giselle C. Gandler. Valdez keeps it in play.
Wow!
Oh! Combination!
That was a good set play for Signal. Take a look at that. Akala mo yung set sa open hit ay sa...
Setup job. Still alive. Jan alive. Left in the air. Pons. Santos. Cayuna. Drop. And they chase it. Pons shoots. Block. De Guzman. Pons.
You could hear the roar of the crowd after that long rally.
At ito ang ating pure gold. Always panalo play.